This is the acceptance demonstration for the RPS Rhythm SPX. I'm going to start with a once around machine. It's currently running, as you can see. This is the process camera showing the solder flowing as we speak. Side of the machine, flux bottles, manuals, schematics. This is the control cabinet. We're going to try to get a picture of the serial tag for you, but they often don't turn out very well on video. But that looks just fine. Okay. Okay. Next, we're going to show you all the functions working. First, we're going to start by moving the pot around. Little X, Y, and Z. Temperature. Oh, sorry. They're not scrolling in real life, but you may see them scrolling on the video. To the left is the solder pot set point in actual. Actual's in red. Set is in green. And the right here is the preheater. Set point in actual. Running at 300 degrees C here.
Okay, we're going to jog X and Y. This is X. This is Y. This is a big board machine, so it'll go way back if we want it to.
Yeah, that's impressive travel.
It'll go way back. Alright, we'll bring it back forward. We'll go a little bit more to the left here. Okay, now we're going to bring it up. Z. Alright, I'm going to bring the fluxer up. Up comes the fluxer. Alright, I'm going to turn on the drop jet fluxer. It's a very tiny stream. The only way to see it is we can hold this piece of paper and you'll see it. The stream is constantly running right now. This is how you would flux your tiny little holes surgically.
Very viewable.
Alright, the next one is the spray fluxer. Should be able to see this in the video. Spray fluxer.
Oh yeah, you can see it. We just have water in the fluxers there at this moment. Yep.
Okay. That's all I've got here.
Well, here's the software, and we're going to toggle over to the programming software as well.
This does have motorized program control width. We'll show that opening here. You can see the width opening right now. So that will set with the program.
Okay.
Alright, the software. This is what they call their Maestro Lite. This is the operational software when you're running the machine. They also have a programming package. It's called RPS Cam Conductor. You'll scan an image of your board in, and then you'll paint the areas on the board that you want to flux and solder, and you can set all of your travel parameters and peel off, and basically all your process parameters can be set here for each of those joint locations.
Okay. That's our demonstration. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.